Hello, my name is Samba, I'm from Paris.
Hi, I'm Jana from Germany.
Hi, I'm Benoit from France.
Before Le Wagon, I was a freelance business developer in Paris.
I was doing media studies and freelancing.
Before Le Wagon, I was running an e-commerce website in France.
What I like about Le Wagon is how our days are structured. Like the fact that in the morning we have quick lectures and the rest of the day is dedicated entirely to practice.
Especially the buddy system, or it's just like trying to explain things to someone else that really makes you understand things much more, especially Samba, because he never stops asking questions.
I think it's the first time in my life that I stayed 15 hours focused and without even feeling tired, or I really enjoyed these 9 weeks.
I was really impressed by the whole bootcamp format where you basically learn in a very short period of time a lot of very complex concepts.
It was intense.
I learned a lot about coding and about myself. The Pocketwise is an app for parents and kids. The kids can learn within the app many fields, and once they complete challenges, they can unlock their pocket money.
Actually, I have the same problem with my brothers. Today, it's almost impossible to make a kid read a book because he spends all of his day on playing Fortnite. This kind of app could really help parents today because they're really struggling fighting against Instagram and all of that.
Now you will meet Sarah, who's a mother, and her son, Samba. They've been using the app for quite a while now, 2 weeks, and they will show you how they use it. I hope you enjoy. Woo! Good evening, guys. Welcome to Le Wagon Bali, and welcome to Pocketwise presentation. First, I want to introduce you to Sarah. Sarah is a mother. She's 39 years old, and she has 2 kids, Samba and Mia. Education is very important for her, but she works a lot and she has no time. 1 week ago, she discovered a very great app where kids can unlock their pocket money by playing games and by learning within the app. And right now, they're gonna run you through their experience as a parent and as a kid on how they've been using the app.
All right, hi everyone. So my kids, Samba and Mia, they both love to spend time on their phone, but unfortunately, most of the time they're on Instagram or Snapchat. So I would like to motivate them to use their phone to learn, and Pocketwise is a great platform for that because there the kids can play educational games, and once they complete levels successfully, they can unlock their pocket money. So that way they develop a great habit of learning, and at the same time they learn about the value of money and how to manage it. If I open my app now, I can see the progress of my kids, Samba and Mia. So Samba is currently learning HTML, and he's saving for a pair of boxing gloves. And Mia is also learning HTML and is saving for a pair of sneakers. She's getting $20 weekly, and Samba is getting $30 weekly. Currently, he's got $0 in his pocket, so it seems like he hasn't played his educational game for the week yet. Samba, wouldn't you like to do that now?
Of course, ma'am. So hello everyone, I'm Samba, the son of Sarah, and I've started using the app with mom, and I'm gonna show you how I can unlock my pocket money by playing educational games, and also I'm gonna show you how I can save money for things that I really want to have. So my Pocketwise is divided in 3 parts. So on the top card, I can see that I'm receiving $30 weekly by my mom. And because I've not been through the educational games for now, you can see that I have $0 as payment. On the top card, I can access to the educational games that I will show you in a few minutes. But first, let's see how I can save money for these things that I really want to have. So here we can see that for these boxing gloves, I'm currently saving $15 weekly. And we can also see that I've so far saved $15 for those boxing gloves. So I'm really near to my goal. And so next time that I will unlock my pocket money, I will have saved enough to buy them. I also saw this amazing buggy last times, so I decided to save $10 weekly for it. So yeah, let's try and unlock my pocket money together. So here, first, I should choose a course. So I'm already enrolled in Learn HTML, but I could also learn German or math, for example. So now I'm currently at level 2 in HTML. So let's dive into it. But first, before doing the question, I have to complete my lecture. So let's learn a bit about elements and structure in HTML. So here I'm learning about HTML structure, here about adding elements in HTML, and here about the body in HTML. So now that I finished with the lectures, I can continue to the quiz. And I was thinking that we could do this quiz together, because we took these lectures together, right? So first question, what is HTML used for? Is there someone here who can give me a hint or who knows the answer? Not someone of the bootcamp, please, guys. Yeah, no one, really?
Top one.
You're sure?
No.
Let's try. Okay, great. Second question, how many headings are available in HTML? Two? Okay, let's try 2. So let's try 6. I think, yeah, I've seen that in the lecture, yeah. And last but not least, is it possible to display content outside of the body tag in HTML?
Yes.
Yes? It depends. It's not depends at all. Okay. Boom. So yeah, exactly. So now that we've finished with the question, I should have unlocked my money. So let's check it, and yeah, let's ask mom for the cash. Now we can see that I have $15 in my pocket, and the other 15 went towards the goals. So we can see that I've saved enough money for the gloves. And we can also see that I've saved some money for the buggy. So, Mom, please can you give me my money for this week?
Well, let's check my dashboard first, because I should have a notification on there if you've completed your level, and there it is. Well done, someone. Well done, I'm proud.
Thanks,
you're lucky I just went to the ATM, so.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, this is for your pocket money and for your boxing gloves.
Thank you, Mom. But
Pleasure.
wait, why is it in rupiah?